Hello everybody, today I am going to show you how you can turn a still car image to like a moving car with full speed. Just like this. Wait few seconds for processing. If you see some fault there like that, go to Quick Selection tool. Here you will find some plus and minus option. Use them for correction the rest of selection. Use plus for increase and minus for decrease. After perfect selection, tap Ctrl+J for copy the selection. Hide the copied layer. Then active your main background image. Go to Object Selection tool. Then select again the subject. But this time selection should not be done properly. Press Ctrl+D for remove selection. Drag arrow sign on the car's font side. Double tap on your mouse for new one. Visible this layer now. Then active the layer. Set the blur effect on vehicle's wheels. Hold Shift key when you do the job. Done. See? That looks so awesome now. After all, save your file.